1. Clarify your goal. Know what you truly want. Every decision should move you closer to that goal. 2. Listen to both heart and mind. Emotions matter, but logic keeps you grounded. Balance both. 3. Think long-term, don't just focus on the present. Ask yourself how this decision will affect your future. 4. List all options. Writing down your choices gives you a clear view and helps avoid confusion. 5. Compare pros and cons. Evaluate the benefits and drawbacks of each option carefully. 6. Choose what gives you peace. If a decision feels right deep inside, it's often the best one. 7. Take advice, but decide for yourself. Others can guide you, but you are the one who has to live with the choice. 8. Understand your priorities. What matters most to you? Time, money, growth, peace, or relationships? 9. Face your fears. Don't avoid something just because it scares you. Understand the fear and address it. 10. Avoid overthinking. Thinking too much creates more confusion than clarity. 11. Trust yourself. Believe in your ability to make the right choice. Confidence is key. 12. Don't choose comfort over growth. Easy choices aren't always the best ones. Growth is often uncomfortable. 13. Consider potential regret. Will you regret not making this choice in the future? 14. Stay true to your values. Never compromise on your core beliefs just to fit in or please others. 15. Understand the risks. Every decision has some risk. Know it, calculate it, and prepare. 16. Avoid emotional decisions. If you're angry, sad, or hurt, give yourself time before deciding. 17. Take your time. Good decisions often need space and patience. Don't rush. 18. Start small if you're unsure. Take a small step instead of a big leap to test the direction. 19. Don't live to please others. Your life is yours. Make choices that feel right to you, not just acceptable to others. 20. Choose what makes you stronger. Growth, confidence, and peace come from the choices that challenge you.